Hello, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This is Patty. I welcome all new subscribers and all existing subscribers. What I am about to do is put together some Bob Evans mac and cheese, and I'm going to make it my very own. I have 2 packs of the Bob Evans, and then I have some butter here, heavy whipping cream, sour cream, some milk, and I have, these are the only cheeses I have left, mozzarella and sharp cheddar. So, and you can see I have my sour cream. I think I said that in the whipping cream. So what I'm going to do is melt my butter in this skillet, and then I will put my cheeses in the skillet, and I'm going to make like a sauce, and then I'll add my milk. Then I will add this mac and cheese and run it in the oven. I will garnish it with some parsley flakes and cheese on top. So I'll bring you back. And when I'm doing creamy mac and cheese, I may use I will definitely use eggs, and I will use the evaporated milk as well. But you can take away, add to, whatever. But I will show you how this comes out. But right now, I am going to pause it. This is the mac and cheese ready to go in the oven. I have my oven on 350. I may put it on 375. I don't know. I'll just see. I put everything in on the stove top and mixed everything together. And I will tell you, I added a little bit of grated Parmesan cheese because I didn't have any other, and I use parsley flakes. I use Pam to spray my dish, and I put a little Himalayan pink salt in, and I season to taste with my white pepper. So here it is, about to go in the oven, and I will tell you what it tastes like a little bit later. I made some lemonade using the Country Time lemonade, and I had this empty bottle here, and I washed it really well, and I mixed it in this bottle. I used 4.5 scoops, and the scoop comes in the Country Time container. So I'm going to drink this with my mac and cheese and the other part of my meal that I'm going to put together. This is the finished product of my mac and cheese. Guys, I almost let it stay on broil too long. I really kind of forgot it, but it is crispy and brown. It didn't burn up, thank goodness. And it is creamy, it is good, and I'll come back and give you a review. Okay, guys, I am going to do a taste tester. I'm doing it off camera because my cameraman is not here. I am just going to show you my mac and cheese, and here it is. It is creamy. It is absolutely delicious. And as you can see, my crust on top, where I almost let it stay in the oven too long, but it is still crunchy and good. Now, I'm doing this taste review for Patricia Ncube. I hope I'm not butchering your name, but it's it's Ncube. And I will link her channel in the description, and also Jay's Creative Space. She mentioned that she was going to buy some mac and cheese after she had watched my video. So for Jay and Patricia, I will be linking your channels in the description box. And this is good. 10 out of 10. I would definitely give it a 10. I would doctor it up, put my own spin on it like I have done, and you will not be disappointed. Really, I kind of love this crust being this way. It's good. It's not burned. It's just a nice brown crust, and I like it like that. It is so delicious. This is Patty from Patty's Southern Kitchen and More. Please like, share, follow, subscribe, ring that notification bell to be reminded of uploads. And I love you all. I will talk to you guys on the next video. Bye.